Ferrari.
Okay, it's on the beat.
Coma coming around the corner, we not tight cause you know it's on us.
Mama,
Now you carry weight,
make it beast.
hustling every day. Now you carry weight.
So I'm going around the house right now. There go Jaquan.
Huh?
I thought you was in your in daddy room, man. What you up to?
Nothing, chillin'.
Man, I'm putting my grips on, man. Come help me right quick. You did? My bro birthday was like yesterday. Yeah, how old you made, dog?
18.
You wish. Bro made 16, so all the bike life girls out there, he taking. For real. He's out here. But look at this, man. You know, after the fall, my throttle is broke. It is what it is. I got some new grips, but I ain't gonna be keeping these grips at all. And since I'm not gonna be keeping these grips, I'm gonna go ahead and just put them on right now. Cause I'm gonna have to buy another throttle anyway, sooner or later. So I'm gonna just get some play out of these grips since I already got them. Some little cheap ones. They red, that's the only reason I brought them. But they ain't official. Wanna hold that for me? Back. But look though, I'm gonna have to put some type of, I think somebody could put some spray paint on them, put spray paint on them to make it stick. About to put this red grip on this throttle right here, which is cracked. My throttle cracked, man.
It is?
You know what you see? I can't crack it no more though. One piece broke off, it's over there. It ain't go, I don't think, it's hit. I'm gonna keep it off. Alright, then bet. We're gonna put some WD-40 on there. Some lube. Look, I want to make sure I'm using the right one.
What did it tell you?
This one bigger.
So that go on the throttle?
Yeah. Ha. So that's why one of them bigger. One of them bigger. So it's supposed to be. This the one. This the one that go on here. So spray the lube on there still. That.
Yeah.
A little bit.
Dropped one too. There you go.
They say you can't stop.
Gonna get stuck.
Don't stop, get it now.
What if your bike just fall? How it feel?
It's cool.
Feel cheap?
Gotta get it right for me. Bang, 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 bang. I'm holding that. Feel like some cheap grips?
Yeah.
Yes, they do.
How much there was?
eBay, shout out to you. Oh, look at that. Bang, 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 bang. I gotta stop trying to.
You gotta stop.
Trying to chop it because it's not too straight.
Yeah. Got ready. Let's go.
Wait. I gotta put this one on, dude.
Right there.
Where is that?
Right there. On the bottom. Under you.
Oh, that. So wait. I seen somebody on YouTube, right?
Put paint.
They spray
Paint.
Paint in here. Paint to make it stick to the stick. Yeah. Could. Now I done put WD-40 on this one already.
You might be hit.
I'm gonna wipe it.
Water made it stick too.
Water? Man.
Since I got a WD-40 on it, I'm gonna clean it off right quick. Then I'll put some spray paint on it. You know?
stick it on now. Hurry up. Shit gonna dry.
Alright, now we gotta wait for that to dry. Hopefully it dries. My leg though. I'm still recovering. Bike life to the death of us, man. What y'all think about the red? What y'all think about the red? I like the red.
It looked pretty good.
Huh?
It looked pretty good.
Right. So, that's all I gotta get now?
Ooh, whoa.
This whole piece comes, so bang bang. I'm just so happy I ain't break
Any of
my
that.
freaking radiator, anything. Come see this, show this right here. This is the light stuff I did, this small stuff, man. Oh. Ooh, whoop.
Don't do that. You asked him first, fool. He about to be like Annie.
When still in the bike goes on. Just do this nigga just hopped on your bike, dog. Trying to take your bike. Look what he about to do. And still in the bike goes on. Wow.
It's cold starter. Come on.
Oh look, this how I gotta cut my bike off. Gotta put it in gear. Then you gotta just
Yeah,
let
let it
kill.
go, huh?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
We Gucci.
That red don't look that bad. Not gonna lie.
It don't bring it all the way out, but then again,
Let me see. Let me
it
see.
hits, man.
It don't look all that bad.
We Gucci, man. That's what it is. Show for show. What you working on, big dog?
BMW, dog.
Yeah. Who BMW?
My.
Thanks. Jay, you got a lick right there, boy. But yeah, we ain't doing nothing, man. I'm about to go back in the studio. Yo, that Jacob's Ladder mixtape about to drop. I'm talking about like, if it's not already out when y'all get this video, I don't know. I gotta go cop that though. On all platforms, probably not gonna be on iTunes, but I'm trying to get it on everything. YouTube, freaking that pair of my music, Spin Riddler. Everywhere, man. Trying to make it, everybody can listen to it. Listen to what? That Jacob's Ladder. All the songs basically done. All the songs basically done. I just gotta do like a few touch-ups. That's gonna be about it, man. In the studio with Cody. What's up, Cody? What's up, Coco? But yeah, man, studio floor. That's what it's about to be, man. Got the cameras on. Did that? You did? Y'all stay tuned, man. It's a lifestyle. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Get back to the crib.
Looking over this footage right now that I'm about to drop for y'all, man. Looking over this footage I'm about to drop for y'all. Hold up. Let me make sure. I'm in the studio. You know, shout out my dude Young, you know. Free you. Gotta make sure we icy, man. You already know, but I'm looking over this footage, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about that video, man. That video was crazy. That was crazy. I'm still recovering, man. I'm still recovering. It's all good, but hold up. Yo, that Jacob's Ladder is about to drop. that Jacob's Ladder is about to drop, man. I gave y'all throughout the day on the front of this video. A lot of y'all telling me the song hot. Yes, I know the song is hot. Y'all want that Jacob's Ladder? I need y'all to find my Instagram, find the mixtape cover. It's on my Instagram. Repost it. Yeah, all that. I got the hot music. I'm gonna get better on them bikes, you know. I just got on a dirt bike. It's all good. It's not about your fall. It's about your get up, you dig? So I'm gonna get back on the bike, of course, you dig? I got the new grips. I showed y'all that. I be having fun, y'all. I be having fun. That's really all that matters. I just want y'all to know I be having fun with this. And it's really a lifestyle. That merchandise coming like right now. A lot of stuff I just been jumping on and just doing it like right now, right now, right now. It's time to go right now, right now, right now. You dig? But right now, that Jacob's Ladder. It's about Jacob's Ladder mixtape, man. That's all it's about, Jacob's Ladder mixtape. I need y'all to just like go crazy, man. Go crazy on this tape for me, man. Post that, repost, everything, you dig? Comments, likes, everything, you dig? Let me know what you like about the tape. Let me know what you dislike about the tape. You know, I do read my comments and yeah, that's it, man. It's a lifestyle, y'all know. That way, let's get it. What you up to?
Photo shoot.
Photo shoot?
Yep.
Bro. Photo shoot ready, huh, girl? Photo shoot ready. What's up, world? She not the only one with a photo shoot today. Me, her, and my mama got another photo shoot. You going on the photo shoot first.
Yeah.
And then we got another photo shoot, family portraits we're going to be taking today. So,
right. So
y'all
right after my photo shoot, my personal one, I got to go right to family photo shoot. But right now, I'm just cleaning my room before I leave because...
Ah!
Don't do that. Because I had to look for this outfit and I couldn't find it. But I found it now, so it's all good.
Man, this guy got a turtle in her room.
Yeah.
Named Turtle. A turtle named Turtle.
Yep.
But anyway, man, I just finished freaking ironing our shirts. My mom's shirt, my sister's shirt.
Good play.
My shirt is up in this room right here. Turn the light on. Bang, my clothes. I don't know what shoes I'm wearing. I wish these was fresh. I messed them up so they not fresh no more. You dig? So I don't know what shoes I'm gonna be wearing. You dig? I got some shoes up in here. I guess. What red shoes?
Because me and mama having red shoes. You're deep. Like what? And then bring another pair of shoes.
I ain't wearing them. They don't go right with my pants. I need some big shoes. I'm gonna see. I got some red ones. I can wear felines too. So.
Oh y'all, hair done by me.
Anyways, this is Jacob's Lifestyle, not Renee's World.
That wouldn't even be the name of it.
What would it be the name of it?
Renee's Empire.
Renee's Empire.
Yep.
Word, for sure. Go start that.
That was funny. That was funny.
What you doing? Huh? Huh?
What you doing?
None. By the way. But I'm about to go take a shower, man. Get myself together for this freaking photo shoot, man. Eat some breakfast, all that type of stuff. So y'all stay tuned, man. I'll see y'all later. We fresh out the shower, you dig? I'm fresh with the drip shirt on the bed, about to be super fresh. What is you up to? Why?
You
I ain't
is
talking.
lying.
Yes, come on. Wait, my mama called me talking about photo shoot at 2. Why the photo shoot at 4?
Oh, Jacob.
Yes. Is she couponing? My mama beef with the coupons. She got the coupons.
Move.
Yeah, everybody. I'm waiting. What?
People be talking about me. I don't want to hear nothing either.
They is gonna be talking about you. Look at this natural hair.
Move.
Yeah. That's funny. But I'm ready, man. My sister already left for her first photo shoot. We gonna be leaving to go pull up on her in a few. My shirt ready, got my jacket, I'm bringing that. Waiting on my mama. Y'all see she not nowhere near ready. I think she about to freaking mop. What's she doing?
I'm coming to shoot.
Alright.
I got a coupon.
A coupon?
Yeah, I like coupons.
Alright.
Because they gonna blow your plane now.
We gonna be leaving in a few. Y'all stay tuned, man. Hopefully we beat that sunlight. What time it is? It's just 1:45. We good. It's a lifestyle. Can't talk about us. Too fresh.
Come on, I'm ready.
You ready?
My hair going.
I'm ready.
Hello, world.
Yeah, you know.
Oh, boy.
Come on, Jody, let's go, man. We out.
This house right here.
I knew you about to be on the right hand side. This house right here?
Yeah. I need that investment.
For sure. For sure.
I need that. That's the house we're living in when the traffic on.
For sale right here for 24K?
No, next door so you can't even see it.
Oh, for real, huh?
That house right there, that man tried to kill my mom in that house.
What?
Get shot. He tried to shoot her. And Uncle Ryan, you remember Uncle Ryan? You don't remember Uncle? Uncle had to jump on him.
For real?
On the man, you tried to kill Mama Red in that house. We heard the gunshot. We was in the baby.
Wow. Yo! Lyric Hills. You got company.
Hey.
What's up? Chillin'?
Yes.
You wanna let me in? No?
I'm trying to.
You trying to let me in?
Yes.
There you go. I think. There we go. Come on, you bring the jacket?
No.
Yeah, go get that jacket, girl. Had to come pick up my little sister right quick. She about to come take this ride with us. Straight to the photo shoot you did with moms and sis. You know, dripping. Peep me out on the drip, man. Stop playing. Really be icy on the daily, man. Really be icy on the daily. She getting a jacket. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Beautiful Miss Lyric. Beautiful Miss Lyric. Uh-oh. My beautiful little sister. Alright, sister. Come on, let's go. Don't be bad here. Alright, you gonna chill with Jojo. Good old boy. Do like that. What are y'all up to? Chasing each other?
No.
What?
I don't know. Get that out my face.
Alright.
I can still see it.
What's up, world?
My face. I can still see it.
It's on me now. We made it to the park. We about to take care of this photo shoot. You know what? I'm about to have with
Why would you touch that?
sis and mom's about to take some family portraits, you know. Wait, my way, don't get me dirty. Move, 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 move.
Let's get him dirty.
Real talk. Don't get me dirty.
Ooh, look at that.
I got my bad sister,
She got some on the back of your shirt.
Johan.
The thing you put on me?
Stop playing. Do I got something on the back of my shirt?
Yes.
What?
I don't know.
What I got?
She put a dead bug on the back of your shirt.
What?
A dead bug.
Get it off.
No.
Y'all kids bad.
You could have me.
Man, your kids bad, bro. For real though, but we out here, City Park, New Orleans. You getting fresh on them?
Yeah, my hair started to dry.
We all dress alike.
Y'all don't mind the shoes. I gotta put on my shoes.
Oh wow, what are those? Oh mama, was she looking for a bathroom?
I think so.
Oh,
I don't know what
my
you
mama
think
walking all the way over there looking for a bathroom. Well, figure it out. She don't know. You dig? We out here, man. So y'all stay tuned.
Go across the street.
Skitty.
Yike.
For real, we out here about to get this photo shoot ready, man.
Over there. Y'all go over there.
Shot by shot. Out here, you know, you dig. It's a go, man. We it's all action right now, so I'm gonna get us set up right quick. We all action, baby.
Y'all go stand over there by that tree. Go stand over there. Right here, Jojo. Jojo. Right there.
Where the chips at? Let me hit them chips right quick, you hear me?
Johan just said y'all not getting no more.
Man, you got me, boy. Got me bent.
I wish you would. They got you what?
Bent. Hey, Watch my camera. Both of y'all.
If I tell y'all one more time to sit by that tree,
Hey.
Lyric, watch out with you.
Oh, we're not gonna get dirty.
Sit down. Yeah, cause they're making me nervous. He's
They
telling
making the nerves bad.
Like for real, dude. Y'all need to on the well.
Alright, bet. Y'all ready?
I don't know how we supposed to be standing.
We gonna figure it out, huh? Wait, we gotta do it like the real family portrait type of stuff. What we supposed to do, Shad?
First of all, just be natural.
Alright.
That's not natural. Y'all not being natural.
Them children, I don't like those kids.
Y'all not being natural. You looking like a dog.
I'm on a lean, gangster lean.
It looks like
For real, y'all gotta like put your hands on my shoulders type stuff. Y'all know how they be.
I don't know how they
That's
do
what
it.
they
That's
look
how you're
like.
supposed to be directing us.
They look like.
We both directors, so I guess I gotta help.
Alright, cool. Stay still.
Y'all see what
Everybody
they
smile.
doing.
1, 2. Alright, bet. Everybody stay still.
It's a lifestyle.
Boy,
you better come on. What's
He sounds stupid. He sounds stupid.
Wait, I was in the middle. And wait, Mom, we in your house. You closer to this way. All right. But whatever.
behind you?
Yeah.
This dude really sounds stupid. I don't know what they doing. They taking pictures. I don't know what. They just taking pictures.
You know what picture we were creating, right? The one that
They natural. They trying to be natural. They trying to be natural.
Kind of behind you.
You see it right
yeah, a little. Oh, you took a picture of it, huh?
They really trying to be natural. But they not being natural.
Okay.
They got a better view right here.
So y'all like that, and I'm like this behind.
Child, how nice they trying to
wood though.
Ma, he can't.
Man.
Oh, we could have just screwed it up some.
Alright. Everybody stay still. I can't see y'all feet for this one. It's just the top. 1, 2. Good.
I don't even know what we're supposed to be looking at.
Right
Yeah,
here, me.
the camera.
You right here. You saying you don't know, but you're looking right at me. That's what's funny.
That part.
Alright, you look.
Point
Look right
to the
here.
Dad,
Look
okay.
right here. Look right in the lens. You ready? 1, 2. Alright, stay still.
He just said stay still and both of y'all move.
Right.
Why your heart got you?
Jody. You gonna record me? Go ahead. Pick it up.
Be a cameraman. He said pick it up. He said pick it up. What is that? Poison ivy and dirt mixed together.
Alright. Alright, everybody just like do your thing. Just don't even worry about me.
Alright, hold up. I got something. Give my camera.
That's cool. Look, just the girl.
Oh, for real? Cause I got some bad kids, man. Dang. What's wrong with y'all, bro? I'm out here. We plotting on $1 million. We trying to get it done. You know, get the mom some family portraits in the house, and y'all bad kids. What funny, Mike, when you need them? By the way, real talk. Move.
1, 2, 3.
4. 1, 2, 3.
Wait,
Need step closer to. Cool. There we go.
Want me to go back in?
One more. 1. Smile. 1, 2, 3. One.
Well, look at them children. Johan, come back.
Hey, good.
I got him.
See. Telling you.
Jacob
come off.
like he about to
It's
whip
gonna
him.
come off. I'm telling you, they think I'm playing, but when I be serious with them and I really whoop them, they're gonna
He
be
be so
surprised.
mad we don't take him
They're gonna be
serious.
surprised. I'm telling you.
I want to see this. $100 you ain't gonna beat him. He ain't even gonna touch him with the beat. $100. Jacob, do it again.
I ain't gonna play with them.
That's enough pictures with this girl.
Alright,
Hold
get back in.
Alright then.
Oh, that dog not.
Nah, but that natural laugh different from y'all just smiling. That's why I kept snapping.
Oh, okay, go. What we doing?
Jacob,
So did you get the water? What about this shot?
I'm gonna change the shot.
Alright then, for sure.
First of all, I'm gonna change the shot because they gonna get on the groundwater water. I got this. You get back in the picture.
Hold up. Alright, let me set the lifestyle up. You know the lifestyle like to be a part of everything, man.
It's not gonna look
Stop
the same.
playing with it.
You know I'm paying for the hour by the hour.
We gotta chop chop.
I'm a tree.
So what we doing?
Tree.
Alright, smile. Everybody, 1, 2,
Yeah, big
3.
dog, big dog. I'm a tree.
Y'all should give me a kiss on the cheek.
That's a good one.
Big dog, too big, too big. I'm a tree.
Stop, Renee.
Alright, one more kiss on the cheek.
You gotta get back down.
Matter of fact. Alright, go kiss on the cheek. 1.
Doggy.
Jacob lips wet.
Cause he probably licked the
Get out the cave.
Jacob lips wet. For real.
Stop, stop. You know they can really see y'all from
I
right
need to be in
here.
the middle on something.
Alright, there we go. Hey Jake, get your arm on our shoulder. There we go. That's a good one. Let me get that one on the tripod.
Johan, that camera gonna drop.
I can
Alright,
see.
Jake, one more hand on the shoulder.
Shoot.
Alright, Renee, need a kiss on the cheek. Alright, stay there, one more.
You ready?
Alright, Jake, let me get you.
Ooh, just me and
Yeah,
Jacob.
you and Jake.
How we doing this? What type of level?
Do this. Shoot.
What? She got that sticky. Come on. You're looking at this camera, not that one. I'm paying for this.
This paying too.
I'm not paying for that.
I forgot that one paying me.
Right.
My bad.
You still.
It's a real good one. One.
Ew. Ew, what is this?
You better not mess up my picture.
For real, come on.
You gonna mess up my picture.
All that lip gloss on you, ma.
Let me make sure I'm right. No, ain't no way.
What?
I got SD card. I'm gonna be at the end of my vlog.
Hold on. Let me get your SD card.
Oh, that's the end of the vlog.
Yes, bye vlog.
Look, we about to get it in, man. I'm gonna show y'all the pictures on later on, man. We just, you know, family day. City Park, New Orleans.
Jacob
Photo
saving
shoot.
the day.
You know, Jacob's lifestyle
Jacob
about
is
to save
saving
the day.
You see what I'm
You
saying?
dig? So I'm about to get him, get my man's,
What
my
was
SD
that,
card
Ma?
for right now. But that's what it is, you know. So y'all stay tuned to lifestyle.
She thought I'd never make it. My homies sneaked on me, they thought I'd never make it.